Okay, today is a Sunday, but it's a working day for me doing property search, site analysis here in Cagayan de Oro. So galing kami doon sa Kauswagan, no? It's a beachfront property, no? Tapos I'm renting a car, yung Wigo, cute. We're tailing yung two vehicles, no? First is yung sa may-ari. We're going to his residence, no? Because one of the landed na mga people here in Cagayan de Oro. So far maganda naman yung feedback, no? So you have to be very familiar, no? Yung transactions. We're here, papasok muna. Area ba to? But we're going to his residence para mag-change ng sasakyan so that we can join in one vehicle lang. Sanay na tayo dito, no? This type of work, yung covered many areas, no? In the country. So maganda din yung ano to, yung network that we have gained through the years as national president of yung Brokers Association, then a consulting group also. Tingnan natin dito. Pasok na dito. Dapat skillful ka rin sa driving. Cagayan. Where are we? Sunday is still a working day kasi dito mo rin mamimit yung mga may-ari, eh. They're busy people. So mamaya we'll be going Lagindingan area naman, no?